beach and
You can go beach and clean up. Eh?
Sorry, no.
Which one talk to you from where? I'm still going to the kitchen. Eh?
Hit that subscribe button and don't let me have nothing. Hello everyone! Wow, go on here. My name's Rusty Machon, coming to you again with another spectacular vlog video. So this week vlog video, it's another special vlog video. And you know when I say special, you know what that means? Prank! It's another prank. This one is called... What do I want the name again? To be honest, I don't know what to call that one. But basically, let me just explain what I got. Basically guys, all them a brand new sofa. You know, I go online and saw this nice sofa and I feel like, say, you know what? I'm going to do this for him because, you know, I've been a really good father to me. People don't kick me out guys. And while they're sitting there, always me come back in, you know, so it's a good father. Because he's such a good father, I went out and did something really nice. Sometimes when you do something nice, sometimes you have to come with a price. And the price I'm have to pay is a prank. I'm going to mess up and ruin him whole sofa. Not telling him that I got him a new one. I'm going to try to get a reaction out of him. Basically, I'm going to use that chicken here, a little raw chicken here, what you see in that little packet. I'm going to pour some of the fake blood, mix it up, and then do a little cooking video in the living room. While I do this cooking video, I go accidentally mess up my father cow. He's supposed to still come from work, you know. So I go out there, go set up the crime scene and wait for him to come in. So see you out there in a little bit. See you guys first. Get that thing. Make sure you have clean up all that fucking animals. Can't afford to have fat in your chicken and
What I tell you this one? Yeah?
So you guys, so basically, we just...
No, I talk to you what I tell you this one.
Man, look at you just can't ruin my video.
Ruin what kind of video? But in the kitchen of the day, so you don't do it in the
You
kitchen.
did try to do it before you come, and then you just come
But you shouldn't do it, so you don't do it in the kitchen.
But
everybody do something in the kitchen, so we're going to do something.
Me tell you something.
You know all the place. Eh?
But don't tell you something that I go to a YouTube video.
Come here, man, most like, me I think I'm in the kitchen, you go do it, man. Why you come here so we do something for?
When you come here, sorry, for your bag of nice.
What do you mean when we come here so we do bag of nice? What do you mean when we come here with bag of nice?
Me tell you sorry, and you go to
But you should know better than that. Eh? You should know better than that. You don't do this in the kitchen, man. Eh? You don't do this damn thing in the kitchen. Look at a chicken that.
Yeah, try
a chicken that. Me know why you know. What? A chicken that. Eh? And look and you can't come in and living room come with. And boy you try to do video.
So, that's not me do my video in peace, no?
Look man. Find go in the kitchen go do something. But take up and carry go.
Alright, that's what I feel like.
Just set up in the kitchen man. Do something in the kitchen.
Alright, just relax.
Relax, bro. What do you mean what relax? Relax.
Just relax.
Relax, bro. But you should know better than that. You should know better than that. Eh?
You just get from work and come here and go on some. You just miss out.
Sure, as we come in that place, we have to talk. As we come in that talk. Because we think that you do better than that. We think that you go in the kitchen and go do what you do.
You're not that serious.
You're not that serious. You're going to make video yourself. And chicken. Who do that? Eh? Why don't do that, man?
When you have the YouTube video, you can't do everybody. You have to do stuff for different.
You know how you mean you can't do everybody. You know, do something in the kitchen and I make it look like say. I make it look. Me not say you can't make your video. But look which part you do it. Look which part you do it. Eh? Sorry about what? But you should have known better than that, man. Eh? You should have known say you can't do that in yourself.
Alright, let me just finish your video then. Like when we done the yard, let me just finish.
No, man. If you want to finish your video, go in the kitchen, man.
We can't just finish. Go. Man, we got to start over now, because I'm there recording.
But you should have known better than that. You should have known better than that.
Alright. I should have known better. I'm sorry.
So what you want me to do? Then take the side.
Alright, let's go around the room and finish the video now. Let's go around the room and finish the video.
No, make sure. You just want to protect my spirit in the evening. Eh? You just come and make up my spirit in the evening.
Every time you come in,
you should have known better than that, man. If you ever do something, man, if you ever do something, man, look which way you're going. You look which way you're going. Eh? Look which way you're going to do here. Eh? You couldn't find a better idea, eh? Eh? You could have look, at least you could have come here and set up Even yaso. I stand up over this. I set up the camera yaso. I do over this to make your YouTube.
Daddy.
Me not stop to make your YouTube. But at least I will not stop the place.
No.
See them start splash up all the place already. See them start splash up the place already. This number easy to come out. Suppose you drop out your hand. Suppose please drop out your hand.
Clean it up.
Suppose please drop out your hand. Then what will happen?
I'm just clean it up.
Clean up what? When something drop out this, you can't come out. You can't come out and
just relax now.
sure.
Make
You
you
know
want
what?
to
You don't know what? Miserable about what? What do you mean miserable? What do you mean miserable? Miserable about what? As I'm not starting now, people talk for the right. They talk for the right. I don't know why nobody talk for the right. But you should have known better than that, man. If you know something coming and say that, never talk. Never talk. You know me never talk. So you come in and say, sure. Boy, I tell you, boy. I tell you something just come perfect.
Don't blood pressure go up, man.
Come perfect, man.
Just calm. Sleep.
What do you do, man? So your left hand over here, sir. Your left hand over here, so long I've gone out to the place.
Try just I'm comfortable.
And that's but you left you run that already. Are you gone back out this already? But man, get up and take up the sitting by this man.
Just relax now.
You know, come back up the concierge out there, you know. Or you dash them out the door.
You're too miserable, man.
You come back up the concierge and fling them out the door.
Fling with the whole city here we are. That's how we fling with. Fling with the whole city here.
What do you mean fling with the whole city here? So why you not get the new one then? Why you not get the new one? You get one new one now? You sit down night. You sit down night if you all. You sit down night. You sit down night, man. You sit down night. Because
me get up out here city then.
I thought if you don't get up out here, because you all set where you sit down night for them. You sit down in there, but sit down on the floor or something, man. You sit down in there. All city. You all city, you sit down in there. Go sit down here, you go get one new one then. Get a good one then. But at least you know that this is somebody sit down. You take a look at that is in a raw. Look at that, it's in a raw, and look where you can sit down with it. Look where you can sit down with it. Oh, look man, no make me nothing in the deceiving, you hear? No make me nothing in the deceiving. No make me nothing. And you can't sit down with that sitting there. And put them all the damn sitting pan the sitting. Sure.
Just relax now. Sorry.
Look here. Look there. Look here. I think you never know enough now. I think you never know enough. We talk to you about this. We talk to you about it. And so wait, so what you have to sit down? Where you have to sit down now?
I got clean it up.
How you place have to smell it like that?
I got use bleach and
you can use bleach and clean up what?
Sorry, no.
Me talk to you from where? So I say go in the kitchen.
Yeah.
Hey, man. Just you want people to talk to you. Sure. You see, when we come back here now, you see when we reach back here, I want to see all of that clip. I need that to the spot, I don't want to see now. You see, I have a serious little spot here, so.
Friday night. What's my get nothing good in it? What's my guy and beat that furniture and I like. Like, what?
No one nobody's done it.
Thanks for watching. You can watch more videos down below on the left. But don't forget to hit